Hi everyone, my name is Mike. I'm the creator of Recovery Life System. I built this system because rebuilding my own life taught me that structure, discipline, and daily action matter. I created Recovery Life System because I know how important structure is when you are trying to move forward. Sometimes you do not need another speech. You need a simple system that helps you check in with yourself, set goals, manage emotions, build better habits, and start creating a real future. Recovery Life System gives you private online tools for daily structure, emotional growth, goal setting, job readiness, financial rebuilding, study planning, and life rebuilding. Recovery is the foundation. Rebuilding your life is the goal. Start your 3-day free trial at recoverylifesystem.com.